black pepper parsley omelette, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the omelette recipes and one of the most unique of the breakfast recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the parsley recipes and one of the most delicious of the fried egg recipes and one of the most different of the egg omelette recipes, one of the most unique of the herbal omelette recipes. Today we're going to make black pepper parsley leaf omelette. We've taken 6 to 7 sprigs of parsley leaf, the ingredients are 2 eggs, 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces, 15 grams of garlic, around 20 to 30 shallots cut into small pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Now break in 2 eggs, into the bowl. Mix the yellow and the white portion of the eggs together. Cover the mix. Cover the mix. The eggs. Now put in the tomato pieces. Mix in the tomato pieces and crush. Crush the tomato pieces while mixing. Now put in the ginger pieces. Mix in the ginger pieces with the tomato. Thoroughly mix in. And while mixing, crush the tomato pieces further. Mix until it's frothy. Now put in the garlic pieces. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Keep on mixing and crush the ginger, garlic and the tomato. Mix in the shallots with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Crush all the ingredients together. Put in 2 spoons of black pepper. Mix in the black pepper with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix in the black pepper. Put in the parsley leaves into the black pepper egg mixture. Mix. Thoroughly mix. The pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Spread the oil in the pan. Pour in the egg mixture. Let it fry. Spread out the parsley leaves. Now close and let the omelette fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Pour in 5 ml of oil on top. Turn over the omelette and let it fry. For another 1 to 2 minutes. Now turn it over. Now the black pepper parsley omelette is ready. Can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper parsley omelette. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the omelette recipes and one of the most delicious of the breakfast recipes and one of the most unique of the parsley recipes and one of the most different of the fried egg recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.